Right, guys, so my model is looking at me like I'm crazy. That's a great way to start off the tutorial. So what I'm gonna start by doing is just taking my Wet n Wild pencil and filling in her eyebrows. Her eyebrows are really sparse, so I want to be careful when I'm doing her eyebrows because I don't want to overdraw them, but I just want to make them more pronounced. Now I feel like I really should have probably used Dip Brow because she had like kind of oily skin, so the eyebrows, like the pencil wasn't staying on. I don't know where it was going. It just wasn't staying on. So I kind of feel like I probably should have used Dip Brow, but I'm just gonna go ahead and just continue to use the pencil. Now I'm taking my MAC. I think this is it's all I know that it was $32, and I'm not exactly sure what it's called, but it's I'm pretty sure it's the MAC 252 brush. I really could be wrong, but I use this brush when I want to carve out somebody's eyebrows because it's very flat and it's very big, so it covers a lot of space at one time. And I'm really trying to work on my time management when I'm trying to do makeup. Like, I don't have time to be using this small behind brush to be carving out some of my eyebrows. I feel like eyebrows should be done in like about 15 minutes. So yes, I'm taking this LA Girl Pro Concealer in Fawn, and I am getting ready to cover her lid with this, just so that we can start laying a great base for the eyeshadows to latch on to. Now I'm taking my Sephora crease brush. I'm pretty sure that's what it is. And I'm taking these. I accidentally mixed two purples together. I wasn't supposed to put that darker purple on, but that was an accident. But these are some shadows from the Morphe 35M palette. And then I go in with another brush and I take this lighter purple. I believe if it's not from the same palette, it's probably from the Morphe 35B palette. I'm taking my shadows from dark to light just because I want her eye to be dramatic. So I use this purple to blend out the darker purple. Then I take this pink to add even more depth to my look, just because I can. And this pink actually made everything flow together really well, so I was happy to make that decision while I was doing her makeup. So that brush that I was using for the purple, it was the Pro Taper Crease brush, number 19 out of the Sephora collection. I usually use it to start all of my looks because I like to start dark and then blend it out. And with the crease brush, it's pointed, so I get to where I want to go and put the eyeshadow in a specific place instead of being like all over the place. And now I'm about to go back in with my MAC 252 brush and more Pro Girl Concealer and Fawn, and I'm going to get ready to cut her crease. Now, I know everybody does this step differently, But I actually did this step differently than when I usually do. I usually don't take the brush and pretty much like draw it on like I am doing right now. But I've actually found that to be helpful rather than what I've seen other people do, which is like just tap the brush and quickly swipe the concealer down towards the lash line to create the circular kind of look. I actually like the way I did this, so I might be doing this more often. But like I said, I did a lot of things differently in this video than I've done before. So I think this one was a good decision too, because it had me cut her crease real fast. And like I said before, I'm really trying to focus on time while I'm doing people's makeup, because people don't have time to sit down and, you know, they makeup artists keep messing up. I'm trying to be out here, so I can't be messing up. I gotta be on the ball. I gotta be on point. And now I'm about to go back in with the Sephora number 19 brush and put the dark purple and then the light purple on top of the crease that I just cut. I really wish I would have did this look differently. I wish I would have just took the shadows and put them inside the crease and then just place the glitter on top so it could look like iridescent. But I'm always critiquing myself as I go along. So I like the way I'm completely confident with the way I decided to do this look. I just think it would have been more tough had I put all of the shadows that I used on her crease and then put the orange glitter on top. But like I said, this look turned out bomb either way. I just, when I'm looking at it, I'm like, yo, why didn't I do that? I don't know. So I'm taking this orange glitter. I'm really not sure where I got this from because it was a gift, and these glitters came singly to me, so I don't really have any packaging that has a name on it. It's just glitter. And the glue that I used was Lime Crime. What is it? It's Lime Crime. Oh, it's Lime Crime Glitter Helper. I've been using this for a while. I feel like the NYX glitter glue really, it takes a long time to dry, and it makes me scared because when I try to put glitter on, like after putting that glue on, it doesn't stick when I want it to stick, and I get really stressed out when my makeup don't do what I needed to do right when I wanted to do it. So I feel like it works, but I like the Lime Crime one better. And now I'm about to get ready to do her eyeliner. This eyeliner that I used, I'm going to give it to y'all, but I don't recommend it. I was just in Target, like, really trying to do some last minute shopping. And I really wanted to use NYX matte eyeliner, but I didn't have enough time to go to the other store, to get that. So I had to settle for this e.l.f. eyeliner, and I don't like it because once I put it on, it just kept disappearing. Like, I don't know, like, after I would go and do her face, and then I would come back and I would look at her eyeliner and it's messed up, and I don't know how. Like, how did I miss this eyeliner getting messed up? How did I not see that it got messed up? Why is it getting messed up when it's supposed to be dry? Like, it was just a lot going on. But I mean, it was $2, so if you're looking for something affordable, definitely something good to start out with, but I don't recommend. Now, this primer that I have on her face is the Tatcha Silk Canvas Primer. I really like this primer. It's better than most of the things that I've used before when I needed to prime somebody's face. Now, this foundation I'm going in with is the Maybelline Fit Me Dewy and Smooth. This is the first time I'm using this one, and it was nice. It was really nice. I liked it. Now I'm highlighting. I believe this is LA Girl Pro Concealer in Espresso. I was really excited to be using these because I actually bought these for myself and they're actually too dark. But my model, however, she has really rich skin, so I was really excited to be using these concealers because I never used them. And I was going to get ready to throw them out, but you know what? The Lord said, don't you throw that concealer out. And now I'm just concealing under her eyes. I'm really not too happy about this part of the video because my phone cut off in the middle of me highlighting and contouring. So what we missed is her being set and her concealer and everything getting blended out. So what you see here is after I blended it out and after I set all of her her concealer, her contour and everything like that, and I put a finishing powder on top of her face. I'll be putting everything in the description box. Now I'm going in with this NK highlighter. Oh, child. Girl was feeling herself. It's a drugstore product. I got it from the beauty supply store. Like I said, everything will be in the description box below because I don't have the actual name for it right now. And I'm just putting this Black Radiance pressed powder on top of everything that I put on her face. And we clearly was grooving out to whatever song we was listening to because I see the shoulders moving. Let it say, pop, pop, yes. Ha, 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 ha. That high. So this is the final look. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Can y'all see how the orange glitter is just shining? It's just shining, 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 shining. Yes. I was really excited and happy with the turnout of this look. And I hope you all were too. Y'all know how I get it popping in my corner of the world. And as always, I hope that you guys enjoyed watching this as much as I enjoyed filming it. Don't forget to subscribe now. For real. We at 500 subscribers. We can go to more. And like this video. Let's get it to 30 likes. Thank y'all. Thanks for watching.